I go, here 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 I go. Check my fit out though, I got a little thermo on, know what I'm saying? Little wobbling jeans, little wobbling belt, you know what I'm saying? Little shoes. You probably couldn't see, but I stay fresh. Everywhere I go, I stay fresh to death. They know I got cheese. They know I serve fiends. They know I posted up in the SAP. Used to run a fucking car. They call me a track star. I used to see a baser from afar. Like, oh shit, there go that money. They'll be talking and I'll be running to that cash. Ain't shit changed but my motherfucking name. It used to be Do Right, now it's Money Mitch. Had to change that shit to Money fucking Mitch. Cause now I'm getting a lot of fucking money, bitch. And I won't spend it on you or your shit. Take your fucking shit. Take it fucking back. Every time you talk shit, I take it fucking back. Like, she didn't deserve none of this shit. Nagging ass, whining ass, crying ass bitch. Give her this. Okay, they call me Do Right, I stay fresh. Hell yeah, y'all know I'm fresh to death. Mold on my face, I don't need a care. I stay fresh everywhere. Y'all niggas know I don't drink that motherfucking brown. I just drink that white and I just lay this shit down. I'm just freestyling and I'm doing the shit for YouTube. Hoes say I talk shit, they say I act real rude. I don't really give a shit, I don't give a care, I don't give a fuck. Y'all niggas know that I keep a red cup. Sometime when I'm Texas, I be sipping on that fucking lean. But I don't like this drink it, cause that shit made me fucking lean. Made me go to sleep, wake up 3 hours later. Like goddamn I paid you, you think you did me a fucking favor? Think you made me sleep for hours. Goddamn I'm finna take a shower. Trying to take this shit off, this shit taking a couple of hours. Goddamn, he said this shit was some activist. But I'm like, goddamn, what you done? Gave me this bullshit for. I just need some fucking weed. That kind of weed that don't grow with no fucking seeds. Give me that shit in a Dutch fucking master. Y'all niggas know y'all treat these crackers like fucking master. Yes sir and no sir, soon as you get downtown, them crackers really be fucking put it down on you whole ass niggas, making you tell on your soul, making you tell who this and what that and everything you know. Like goddamn, I just seen him the other day. Nigga was talking shit and he was stunting the fucking cake. I want y'all to rush the spot like every fucking day till y'all crack up, find that fucking cake. Then y'all can drop my fucking case. That's kind of shit a snitch think every day. Even though your ass told you still gon' go up the road, them niggas gon' fucking ass you snitch ass pussy hoe. Hit your ass all deep off up in your fucking cornhole. Cause you was a bitch on the streets, you told. Hell yeah, Do Right, I keep the shit so fucking hype. Y'all niggas know that bad bitch, they spend the night on my couch and on my fan. Yeah, I'm the fucking man. I don't even give a fuck. I go to the club and I spend $1,000. Spend it on hoes, no spend on my man. Spend it on mans and spend on my man. Get a bottle and pop that shit and pop it shit. Talking shit while I'm talking shit. Y'all walking shit, y'all ain't shit. Hell yeah, Do Right, I drive to your bitch. Tell the hoe go ahead and get in my car and make it mad. Come to the club and pop a paper tag off the coat.